YouTube, Do-It-Yourself Junkie 369, and this video is a project that I did for my master's degree over the summer. The week that I was planning on going to Oshkosh, I took this class instead, so that's what I was doing. And then for 9 months after that, I spent working on trying to get this car to go around this course here without crashing. And in this video, I have 5 runs that were done practicing, trying to get the car set up so that it would not crash into the walls. This is called Formula 1/10, and basically it's a 1/10 scale Latrax model Slash that has a Raspberry Pi computer strapped to it that runs Linex, and then the programming is set up through ROS, and the coding that was written by the students is done in Python. You could also use C++, but my partner was better at Python than I was at C++, so I had to learn how to do that. And then basically the car maps its surroundings using the LIDAR, and then from there you can give it waypoints on that map, feed that into the system. It tries to figure out where it is on that map based off the LIDAR data that is receiving, and then from there outputs throttle, coding, and steering angle through some scripts that we wrote based on what waypoint it should be passing over. And from there it looks at where it's at, where the next waypoint is, and figures out how to get there by steering and throttle. Right now we have the throttle pulsing because we're trying not to get going too fast. This thing supposedly could hit 35 miles an hour, but we never made it that far because during the practice it was pretty finicky, and then during the race we actually had a did not finish because we ran into a wall. And so basically the practice runs, we went around walking behind it with the computer, tracking through a remote connection which waypoint it thought it was over. That way we could figure out how to adjust waypoints or steering program to make it around the course. It was pretty fun. They actually have competitions out there for this. I talked to my friends trying to get them interested in doing it. I'd like to do it. It's probably another project I don't need while I'm working on the airplane, but like I said, pretty fun. You basically buy a Latrax car, and then from there you've got to start building from scratch. You have to strip it apart, attach the computer, attach the LiDAR, and then all the programming is done by you. There's nothing being shared between teams really. So you have to basically learn how to make an autonomous car, which was pretty fun and cool. And then you can go to these competitions. And then also, they're doing it full size. Purdue actually has a Formula 1 car that they take up to Indianapolis and run it around the track, which just seems insane. That's what I did for about 10 weeks in summer. A lot has changed since I did my robotic arm video. Like, the robotic system I used back then compared to now is just insane. Hopefully you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Think about checking out some of my other stuff. Watch the other robot videos, see the difference, and think about subscribing. Thanks for watching.